How to create a digital product store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store for free using this platform. So to get started guys, go to your Google application and enter Shopify, and then click on the first link that you will have in order to create your account, and here click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you will proceed to this dashboard. This is the dashboard of the platform, and here in the trials you will see that you will get offered 3 days for free. Your trial ends on December 28th, and here after the free trial ends, you can select a plan to extend your Shopify trial for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. So that's basically guys free. $1 per month is free. It's like paying nothing, as you can see guys. So that's why we choose the platform, and also we choose this platform because it's easy to create a great online store with it. So here in your right, in your left, you have these buttons where you have the home, you have the orders if you want to check your orders, the products if you want to add new products or import the other ones from other websites. Here you have your customers, you have your content, the analytics as well if you want to check your analytics to see how many sales you've made, the sales by channel, the online store conversion rate, the online store sessions, if you want to check your total orders, the average order value, and all of those things. And here you have the online store. It's where you can improve everything about your online store. So here, let's wait for it to load. And here, click on view your store to see the theme that you're using and how your store is looking like. So this is how our store is looking like. This is the products we have, and this is the home page. So let's go back to start customizing our store. And first, I'm going to show you when you first create your own Shopify account, you will have this theme installed in your store down, and if you want to change it, you will just need to scroll down to see the other themes that are offered by Shopify, and here click on visit theme store, and here you will see all of the offered themes in here, all of the available themes. We have 173 themes, and 12 of those themes are free. As you can see, we have some themes like motion here costs $360. So here let's just filter by the free themes, and here you can choose the one that you would like and you can use it for free. For me, I've chosen this one. You can choose the one that fits your requirements, and after that you proceed to customizing it. So guys, just pay attention when you choose your theme. It will not be installed directly. You will need first to click. You will have, when you install a theme, you will have it in here, and you will need to click on publish in order to have it installed on your online store. After that, you click on customize. Then you'll proceed to where you can change everything about your theme. So here, I'm going to start from the top to the bottom. So here, I'm going to start from the announcement bar. And guys, before I forget also, if you found this inspector deactivated, make sure to activate it. It's what makes things very easy. You will just need to go to what you want to change. For example, let's say I want to change the email sign up. So I will just click on it. Then I will be able to change it in here. And if you turned this one off, you will not be able to do that again. So if I click on the announcement bar, nothing will happen. If I click on here, nothing also will happen. So make sure to have this one turned on to make things easier for you. So here let's start with the announcement bar, and here you can change the color of it. You can show the separator line or hide it. And here we have this amazing option which allows us to change the announcements in here. So for example, if I turned it on to auto rotate announcements, and here I choose to auto rotate for change every 3 seconds. So here I will just go back and change, add another announcement. So the first one is welcome to our store. Then the second, let's say for example 50% off today only, for example. And then let's go back and let's add another announcement. Let's say for example free shipping. Free shipping this week. So here, watch it, welcome to our store, 50% off today only, free shipping this week. So here we can control the time. Let's leave it at 5 seconds like it was in the beginning. So 5 seconds is good. So that's it about the announcement bar. Then let's proceed to the header. So here, just click on the header. Then you will be able to change everything about it. Here you can control the desktop logo position. If you want it in the top center, you want it in the middle left, or if you want it in the middle center. So you can change it to whatever you like. Top center, top left. So here let's leave it at the middle left. That's good, I think. And here, in order to add your logo, go to this theme settings, click on logo, and here you'll be able to drop your logo just like that. And as you can see guys, it's easy to work on the platform. When you're done with the changements, click on save to save the changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.